Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write a loan application cover letter, step by step, in the exact order of the official letter template. Whether you're applying for a personal loan, business loan, home loan, or any other type of financing, this letter can help set the right tone and provide clarity to the lender. We're going to explain every section in detail so you'll know exactly what to write, why it matters, and how to keep it professional. Let's get started. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you want to include your full contact information. This helps the loan officer identify you quickly and also ensures that they can get in touch with you easily. Start with your full name, followed by your street address, city, state, and zip code. Then include your email address and your phone number. Here's what that would look like: your full name, your street address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This format keeps it clean and professional. Make sure the contact information is accurate and up to date, especially your phone number and email. The date. After your contact information, you'll write the date the letter is being sent. Just like in any formal letter, the date plays an important role in establishing the timeline of your application. So if you're sending it on June 1st, 2025, you would write June 1st, 2025. Keep it simple and don't forget to update it if you're reusing a letter from a previous draft. The loan officer's details. Next up is the recipient's information. This is where you address the loan officer or the bank representative who will be reviewing your application. Here's the format. Loan officer's name, bank or lending institution name, branch address, city, state, zip code. If you don't know the specific name of the loan officer, it's still better to call the branch and find out, or you can write loan department instead. Including the full address of the branch shows that you've taken care to direct the letter appropriately. Subject line, purpose of the letter. Now we add a subject line. This helps the recipient quickly understand what the letter is about, especially if they're managing multiple applications. The subject should be clear and to the point. For example, if you're applying for a personal loan, you'd write, subject, loan application cover, letter for personal loan. Simple, direct, and effective. Salutation. Now we begin the letter itself. Start with a professional salutation. If you know the loan officer's name, use Dear Loan Officer's Name. If not, a generic but still polite option is Dear Sir or Madam. Using Dear keeps it formal and respectful, perfect for financial correspondence. Opening paragraph. State the loan request and its purpose. In the opening paragraph, you want to clearly state why you're writing the letter. Mention the type of loan you're applying for, the amount you're requesting, and what the loan is for. For example, I am writing to formally apply for a personal loan in the amount of $20,000 from ABC Bank. I am seeking this loan to consolidate personal debt and cover upcoming educational expenses. This section is all about clarity. Make it easy for the loan officer to understand what you're asking for and why. Don't leave out the amount or the purpose. These are crucial pieces of information that help your application look serious and well thought out. Second paragraph, emphasize your relationship with the bank and financial responsibility. Now we move into the second paragraph, where you build your credibility. Talk about your relationship with the bank and your financial behavior. Here's how this might read. I have been a customer with your bank for over 5 years and have maintained a good relationship, including a checking account, a savings account, and a previous auto loan which I repaid in full. I believe my financial history and current income make me a strong candidate for this loan. Why does this matter? Because lenders want to know that you're trustworthy and financially stable. Mentioning that you've repaid previous loans or maintained a long-term banking relationship builds confidence. If this is your first interaction with the bank, you can instead focus on your credit history and income level. Third paragraph, list supporting documents and express willingness to comply. In this section, you mention that you've included supporting documents. This shows that you're organized and serious about the application. Here's a good example. Attached with this letter are all the necessary documents to support my application, including income statements, recent tax returns, a copy of my credit report, and personal identification. You also want to express that you're confident about repaying the loan and are open to any terms they might set. For instance, I am confident in my ability to repay the loan on schedule and am open to discussing any specific terms you may require. This strikes a good balance between professionalism and cooperation. Closing paragraph, request consideration and offer to follow up. The final paragraph of the letter should be polite and proactive. You're requesting that they give your application serious consideration and offering to provide more information if needed. Something like this works well. I kindly request your favorable consideration of my application and would be grateful for the opportunity to discuss this further. Please feel free to contact me at your convenience by phone at 555-123-4567 or via email at john.doe@email.com. This makes it clear that you're available and eager to cooperate, which can help move the process along smoothly. Closing the letter. Now you wrap it all up with a formal closing. You can use "Thank you for your time and attention. Sincerely, your full name." Signature. If submitting a printed copy, always say thank you. It's a small detail that adds a lot of professionalism. And if you're submitting a hard copy, don't forget to include your signature above your name. And that's it. You now have a complete professional loan application cover letter that follows a strong structure and highlights all the key details lenders look for. If you're writing this letter for a business loan, personal loan, home loan, or any type of financing, remember that clarity, honesty, and preparation are your best tools. Make sure your documents are in order, your purpose is clear, and your tone is respectful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be applying for a loan too. And if you want more templates and step-by-step writing guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Writing Practices.